57 News, 19.
Is it time to end cash bail? In recent years, more groups like the Bail Project have emerged, believing the bail system essentially criminalizes poverty. The nonprofit posts bails for defendants free of charge, keeping them out of jail before they get their day in court. The Bail Project tells ABC 57 it's helped more than 1,000 low-income Hoosiers since 2018, with 94% of them making their court date even with no financial obligation. It claims that number is similar across its 24 jurisdictions that it operates in. But a new Indiana law limits who these charitable bail groups can help and requires these groups to register with the state. A federal court has ruled the new law can take effect despite a lawsuit from the Bail Project and ACLU of Indiana, claiming it violates freedom of speech protections. The Bail Project said in a statement to Night Team, quote, "We're disappointed by the panel's decision. This law created a double standard in how nonprofits that provide free bail assistance are treated versus bail bond companies that profit from bonding people out. We plan to ask for a rehearing before the full court." But the question facing lawmakers and law enforcement across the country is whether the cash bail system should continue. According to the U.S. Commission on Civil Rights, more than 60% of defendants are detained pretrial because they can't afford to post bail. Between 1970 and 2015, there was a 433% increase in the number of people detained pretrial. And there were significantly higher pretrial detention rates from Black and Latino groups compared to other demographics. Just last month, Illinois became the first state in the nation to eliminate cash bail. Instead, a judge decides whether the defendant poses too much of a threat to release. But the American Bail Coalition, which is a trade group made up of bail bondsmen and similar companies, claims the current bail system is preferable because a judge decision based on criminal history or accusations may be more difficult to challenge than posting bond.
I think their whole thing that end cash bail just begs the question, and then what? What type of system do we want? We want a system of risk-based preventative detention where we base your bail based on your predicted future behavior? I don't think so. So I think that's really what the issue is what would we replace it with? And that's where things get fuzzy for the Bail Project and others.